just to try and earn a dollar. Every time I call my baby to try to get a date, my boss says, no dice, son, you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Well, my mama and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money. If you wanna use a car to go riding next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work, told the boss I was sick. Now you can't use a car 'cause you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
Such a bad weekend. And share it to my face. You bad child. Sorry, we gotta go. But it's alright.
Jesus said, I found a road to happiness through love and charity. When you think it's so strange to you and me, well, we do it by fine and crucibles. In our studio lighting cars and fancy clothes. But just a word about the unknown or hell back, I found that I'll be the man in black. I went for the thing along with gold, for the reckless one who naturally found. I went for the 100 times and who died, believing that the Lord was on their side. And I rather walked older than I know, and every chance and everywhere you go. I always start to begin move to make you feel right. You never seem to do the truth why. And I love to wear the rainbows every day. Hey! We got married in a fever, and then a pepper's run. We've been talking about Jackson, heaven since the fire. And I'm going to Jackson, I'm gonna mess around. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. And look out at Jackson town.
When I come down, come through to Jackson, got a hair, I come here. Come play your hands, you big talking man, like a big fool of yourself. And I'm gonna Jackson, but go home, yeah.
When I was in the dance city, people gonna step over.
Come on, Johnny.
All the women gonna met me, and I teach me when they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson. You should not lose my love, 'cause I'm going to Jackson.
'Cause goodbye, that's all she knows. Got a little up and down through Jackson, when I was a down team on a pony cake. Tall like drum, tall like this girl, and we don't care. They turn away into the Jackson, but you keep talking now. When I'll be waiting in a Jackson, 'cause we have what you better find.
Right now, we got married in a fever, and then a pepper spray. We've been talking about Jackson, heaven to the fire. And I'm going to Jackson, and that's a fact. Yeah, we're going to Jackson, and I'm coming back.
Di condividere questo meraviglioso ambiente, queste meravigliose persone. A voi. Giamba, lei. Recuperazione, they gotta come, they don't back home. They gotta come, fall down the road, go down the back home. Now the phone, the street is full, I'm in a back home. So the car, the front of the road. Jambalaya,
in the mirror, and she only ages.
Allora, i prossimi 100 minuti avranno l'onore di farvi ballare.
He's been writing songs, speaking out against wealth and privilege. He says, I don't believe in money, but a man can make him a killing. 'Cause some of that stuff don't sound much different than Dylan. I hear down there, it's changed, you see. Well, they're not as backward as they used to be. He's gone country, look at them boots. He's gone country, back to his roots. He's gone country.
Mary, why you won't do me this way? Smart enough to come to my senses, be who you need me to be. Say that I'm too late, I curl up and down misery. Mary, Mary, why you won't do me this way?
This is where I've been. We are not next to me, so I rock along on the same chair. It was real, it was right, but they changed your mind. And now I'm left with a Tennessee broken heart. It was real, it was right, but you changed your mind. And now I'm gone. One night at old black, a loud thunder roll. You knew it was a real start you, like you really forgot. All I've been through, you took me stuff and went to bring your love. Was your rocking chair? You are not just to me. So rock along the same chair. It was real, it was right. You won't change your mind. loving on back streets and living on Main, suffering hell through the daylight for the heaven darkness brings.
Last night, I'm truly forgiven. Was it necklace on my nightstand? I guess I never know the answer. I quickly packed myself, walked away in a hurry. Instead of killing you. Instead of killing you. I swear you almost got me. I can't wait till you pull the trigger. But then again, you're not worth it. So it's out to your heart. Throw me in the pile of death. Find a way in a hurry. Instead of killing you. Instead of killing you.
It's only 'cause you're lonely that you're wanting me. I'm just a way to get you